Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Bad Finds, and we have got a massive unboxing. And this massive unboxing is brought to you today by Lala and FENDI. These are the FENDI Karligraphy boots. Hey, I'm Steph. I'm Steph with Steph's Adventures and Bad Finds, and I do an unboxing on this channel from time to time. And I love luxury shopping. I love living in life and all the good things that come with it. So that's what we do here. And I want you guys to get to know each other in the comment sections below. And let me know what you think about the purchase and the unboxing for today. And I also do some gaming videos. And yeah, a little traveling every now and then. Less now than I ever did, unfortunately. But we're going to get back to doing some of those too. So let's see what we've got from Lala today. And all of our goodies, my receipt. And I would get the box upside down. So we flip it and pull the bits out. Now the funny thing is that I'm pretty sure that somehow or another, in some type of good deal in shopping and swapping that I do, I ended up with a pair of these boots. And where they are is a really good question. So, why am I purchasing a pair of boots that I know that I have? Because I love them. When I get to the pair that I've got that I've not even worn yet, then I will more than likely just sell those. And because, yeah, I'm ready to wear boots, even though it's really warm in Alabama right now. It's almost 80 degrees today, and we're in November. I've actually got shorts on and my new little moon boot slippers. Everybody loves. Oh my God, they are just a hoot. But we're getting ready for the Alabama ball game this evening. It's when we have company. And so I'm in that process of getting ready for the ball game. And so I'm still in my run around the house clothes. This is the FENDI Rama box. And that we all know and love. And these are a 7.5, which is my normal shoe size. Because the FENDI runs small, I usually wear a size 7 in a boot. And so I'm doing the 7.5, and I think that that's what I had before. A beautiful FENDI dust bag for each boot. And I stole these boots. I swear the police are going to show up any minute now and arrest me for FENDI. When I say I stole these boots, I don't mean that I literally stole them, of course, but I did get them for $500 from Lala, and they're $1,500 boots. So that's a steal. That is a steal. Just going to cut me now, it's a steal. Beautiful FENDI card. I'm surprised at how well these are packed. Coming from Lala. It is kind of a gray market. And these are our care cards. And I'm going to show you, they are packed extremely well. So, let's open the boots up. Oh my gosh. These are a beautiful classic boot. And I hope I have the name of them right. Oh, gorgeous. I was afraid that they would be scuffed up in some way or something. Honey, these are perfect. These are just perfect. And I'm glad I got the 7.5. And I kind of could have used an 8. But I'm hoping that these are going to do fine. So, let's put that one there. And get the second one out. Bravo, Lala, bravo. Good job. Gorgeous. I mean gorgeous. Oh, honey, these are some sexy boots. They're genuine calfskin leather. They're smooth leather. I love that they have an extremely flat heel, almost non-existent. They have a flesh colored, I would say, natural leather interior. Or no, that's cloth lined. And of course it says FENDI at the bottom of the boot. And has the FENDIs here on the bottom. And of course the double F's here in cursive. So let's put this one up here. And I'm going to kick off the moon boots and try these on right after I take the paper out. There we go. And guys, they make this thing called a boot jack. Ariat boot jack. And it will help you to get, I really should have done a stocking. It will help you to get, it doesn't help, it's hot in here. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I am in love. And actually these 7.5 are a little long for me. They do great in width. Y'all excuse me. It's hot. They're great in width. They're a little tight, which they'll loosen up. But yeah, I'm glad I went with a 7.5. And I imagine after a few wears, I'll be able to wear these with a sock and take up some of that that space on the heel, they tend to slide a little bit. But you got ample room at the top. So for you ladies with a wide calf, I would recommend these for you. As I have tiny calves, not too tiny, but they're small. I just love them. Just love them. So in the inside of the boot is plain. And yes, adorable. So if you have smaller calves and you want to wear these with jeans, you got plenty of room there. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna pause in a minute and put my blue jeans on and try them on with that, because I will probably wear these today. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I do one of these unboxings. And I hope you have all you ever dreamed of. Know that you are worth that. And I love you guys and I appreciate you. I got some more good unboxings to come up. And a lot more things to do. But that I want to share with you. So stay tuned, kids. And let me just make sure if there's a tag on here. Okay, yes, there is. And I'm going to walk these up and let you see the see the box there. Thanks, guys. Bye. Hey guys, Steph from Steph's Adventures and Five Finds. I'm back to do the review and unboxing on the Fendi boots that I just purchased from Lala. And I believe they're the Fendi graphics, Fendiology, something like that. And I'll leave the description in the description box below. And please comment and let me know what you think about these boots. And yeah. And let's chit chat about some Fendi boots, because oh my God, the leather on these boots, and y'all have to forgive the shadows, the beautiful, beautiful double Fendi F, and just smooth leather, just, I can't say enough, they're gorgeous. And they were easier to slide off than what I previously thought that they were going to be. I still recommend that Ariat boot jack to get your boots on and off. But these are just stunning, stunningly gorgeous, just stunning, and they're perfect for everything. So let's kick them back on. And see what they look like with the blue jeans on. And They are a little tight. But then again, like I said, it's hot today up here, particularly over the pool room. Over the pool. And so that probably has something to do with it. My feet are probably a little swollen. Y'all, oh my gosh, I love them. I love them. Yes. Oh, they are perfect. These are just perfect. They are just gorgeous. Let me kick my moon boots back. My chair back. And try to get you a good shot in there. Just a beautiful boot. Just gorgeous. I know I need to come up with some new description words, but honey, I mean, just when it's something that it's everything that it should be, that's what these boots are. And ooh, hallelujah for some air. It is warm in Alabama today. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Yes. Quintessential perfect riding boot. Extremely low heel. And looks great with everything. Let me grab a jacket that I have. I'm going to show you just what it looked like. Little dressed up, paired up with a nice coat. And some nice Antonio Milani. I just picked up at Darty Dillard's. Full length. So that gives you some idea there of how your fall coat and your boots will work together there. Just gorgeous. And this coat's got to go, you know it does. But just to give you a little look there, give you a little idea. And just gorgeous. So wherever you guys are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I do one of these unboxings. And I will see you guys on the next video. Whether it be unboxing some luxury goods or gaming, or I also try, whenever I do find one of these fab finds, to share those in real time with you now so that you can catch those. So don't forget that notification bell.